Hey there, folks. Today I'm diving into something that's shaking up the US economy and real estate market in a big way. Let's talk about the rise of data center investments and why they're a boon for everyone involved. Right now we're seeing an explosion in artificial intelligence and cloud computing, and you know what? That means data centers are in high demand. Just last month, JPMorgan Chase and Starwood Property Trust poured over $4.3 billion into building massive data centers in Abilene, Texas, and near Salt Lake City. That's a huge leap from the sub-billion-dollar investments we used to see. So what does this mean for the US economy and the real estate market? First up, job creation and economic growth. Data center development is a job-creating machine. Construction workers, engineers, IT pros, facility managers, you name it. These projects bring thousands of jobs, and that's not all. The need for electricity, maintenance, and security services means we're looking at long-term economic benefits here. Next, let's talk about how this is strengthening commercial real estate. The data center boom is reshaping the market, especially in secondary areas where land is cheaper and infrastructure can grow. Investors and developers are snapping up land and repurposing industrial spaces, driving property values up and expanding growth corridors. Then there's the boost to local and state tax revenues. With billions flowing into these projects, local and state governments are raking in more tax dollars. This money can be reinvested into public infrastructure, schools, and community projects. States like Texas and Utah, which offer tech development incentives, are becoming hotbeds for future data center expansion. Now, with all these new jobs, there's a rising demand for residential housing. As workers flock to these data hubs, the need for housing in surrounding areas skyrockets. Builders and developers are zeroing in on these regions to accommodate the influx of workers. Finally, let's look at real estate market diversification. The tech boom is shifting real estate trends beyond traditional sectors like office and retail. Data centers represent a high-value, long-term investment opportunity. Institutional investors are taking notice, broadening their portfolios with these tech-driven assets. With financing for data center construction hitting historic highs, the intersection of technology and real estate has never been more lucrative. These investments are transforming local economies, creating new real estate opportunities, and reinforcing the US as a global leader in AI and cloud infrastructure. Now is the time for investors, developers, and real estate professionals to position themselves at the forefront of this transformative market. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. Catch you in the next video.